If you want to use Equalizer on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case we need to download a third-party app that allows us to use the audio equalizer, because unfortunately we do not have a built-in option. So in order to find the EQ, we're gonna open the Play Store, and of course we can search for such a thing. We can just simply type Equalizer and you should be able to find a bunch of apps that provide this feature. So in this case I'm gonna use this one as an example. We're gonna install it, and of course we'll have to set it up, which is really easy. So once we install it, we're gonna open the app. There we go. Over here we're gonna tap on I understand, and now let's wait for the next screen to appear. If you see this pro or free trial offer, we can just close it by tapping on this X in the top left corner. So select it, there we go, tap over here. Now let's go next and then finish. Of course we have an ad, but once we close the ad we should be able to use the equalizer. Remember that we need to turn it on by tapping on the switcher. You might also need to allow the app to send notifications, and over here we can adjust frequencies. Over here, adjust the loudness of frequencies. We can also use one of these presets that we have available over here. We also have the bass boost, loudness, and virtualizer, which can be adjusted on this half of a wheel. And we have the volume slider in here as well. We can also tap on these three dots in the upper right corner in order to find a bunch of different options like profiles, settings, and so on and so forth. And over here we can also, for example, find such options like, for example, backups, app language, the theme, audio balance, always attached to global mix, and so on and so forth. So in this case we should be able to find a bunch of different options, even reverb effects over here. So feel free to check it out. And of course, if you don't like this app for some reason, if it doesn't work for you or you don't like it, just you can always try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. They all look and work in a pretty similar way. So perhaps you will be more lucky with another one from here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.